this video like so many times already, but I just love this weather. Thank you so much. Mother Nature, like thank you so much because I was feeling so anxious today because I have like anxiety problems. But I come out here, you know, like not trying to tell you guys like my personal business, but like I come out here and feel so much better. You know, like this is how you feel like when you go to heaven. Like I believe in your heaven is anything you make it. Like whether it's like this, you know, or like flowers. It's like whatever that you're into, like you go to heaven and this is what you get. You know, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful.